Welcome back to Master Glass with me, Livio Lauro. If we were in Milan right now, in Piazza del Duomo at the Camparino Cafe, we would for sure be drinking a Campari Seltz. Now I need to get into this really quickly because everything here needs to be very, very cold. But you know how much I'm in love of those Italian cocktails because they just require a bar spoon? Well, in this case, we don't even need that. The Campari and Seltz starts with the basis that every ingredient is frozen, including the glass. Now in the Camparino Cafe, they have a special glass that they have created. I don't have it here, but in there, they would add 7 centiliters of Campari, and that 7 centiliters equates to just a little bit over 2 American fluid ounces. Campari is nice and thick, thanks to the fact that it's frozen. And then last but not least, they would just top it with seltzer water. Now I just made this seltzer, so what I want to do is I don't want the air to spray inside my drink and fool me. So I'm just going to put it in the glass right here and I'm going to let it out until I know that it is ready to spray. And okay. All right. And this beauty is ready, or as we say in Italian, è pronto. What's so amazing about it is how fluffy the seltzer water really makes the Campari. Now the Campari is much more thick because it's cold. And so I'm getting that really nice bitterness from the Campari, and that sweetness from the Campari is a little subdued. And my friend Francesco Cione, who I was recently on a seminar with at Tales of the Cocktail, had mentioned how seltzer water really elevates the experience of the aperitivo because it pushes up, it boosts up those flavors. And that is exactly what I'm getting at this moment. This is so delicious. No bar spoon, easy peasy, and ready to go. Now, I really do hope you enjoyed this episode of Master Glass with me, Livio Lauro. If you did, please give me a like. If you've had a Campari and Seltz before, and maybe even had it at the Camparino Cafe, please drop me a comment below. And come back to Master Glass with me, Livio Lauro, where you get expert instruction for everyday consumption.